In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect images to text in Whimsical, allowing you to create clear and visually appealing mind maps or diagrams. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can make the most out of your creative projects using Whimsical. Start by uploading your image. This is the crucial first step in building your diagram. On your Whimsical board, you have the option to drag in or upload an image file. Whether it's a JPG, PNG, SVG, or another compatible format, choose the image that suits your project best. Once you've uploaded it, position the image roughly where you envision it fitting into your mind map or diagram. Think about how it will complement text and other elements you're planning to add, ensuring there's a harmonious flow on your board. Next up, you'll want to add the text node or shape. This is where you'll put valuable information or captions that relate to your image. Go ahead and create a shape or text box that contains your desired text, be it a topic, label, or caption. Position this text box near your image to establish a clear relationship between the two elements visually. Keep in mind that the proximity between these elements will enhance communication and understanding for anyone viewing your diagram. Now comes the part where we connect these two components, a crucial step for integrating images with text meaningfully. To do this, you'll use a connector, such as a line or arrow, which visually links the image and text box together. In Whimsical, you can select the connector tool directly from the toolbar. Look for the connector option, or you can conveniently use the shortcut designed specifically for connectors to make your workflow faster. With the connector tool selected, click on the image or even an anchor point nearby. Drag towards the text node. As you do this, pay attention to the purple highlight box that appears. This box is an indicator, letting you know you've found a valid connection point where your connector can attach to either the image or the text. This visual cue is super helpful for ensuring that your elements are neatly connected, and no loose ends are left floating around your diagram. Finally, once you see that the connector endpoint can attach to either your image or text node, release your mouse button. The connection is now established, enhancing both the visual structure and the comprehensibility of your diagram. This simple yet effective linking of images to text allows anyone viewing your board to intuitively understand the connections and relationships you're trying to convey. Remember, the art of combining text with images in Whimsical is not just about functionality, but also about creativity. Experiment with different image types, text placements, and connectors to discover what best fits your project's needs. Enjoy bringing your ideas to life.